Now, Russian Revolution, the first thing which you are going to write, I'm giving you some of the very important, or you can say it is a valuable question or hot questions, which may come in your exams. Like, what is the difference between Mensheviks and Bolsheviks? This is very important. Write down this question. What is the three difference? Three, it is given in your sample paper and the reference book which I am referring you. There is given three, but you have to prepare for all. Whatever point I have given you in your notes, you learn all the points like what are the differences between Mensheviks and Bolsheviks. See your copy, revision copy. Have you written all these points which I have given you? Earlier when I had taught this chapter, then you had written it. All right. Now, next here, do you want the answer or your answer is there? Open your copy. Open your copy and see. Tanishk?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer is there with you?
Yes, ma'am.
है लिखा हुआ? सृष्टि? सबके पास है ना? तब हम इसको नहीं लिखवाएंगे, नहीं तो हम फिर से लिखवा दे, नहीं तो छोड़ दे रहे हैं. आगे बढ़ जाए. Now next.
Yes, ma'am.
How were the liberals different from the radicals? Right there again. How were the liberals different from the radicals? You will write the answer here. Column बना लो. First column ऊपर में लिखो basic differences. Basis of differences. किस basis पे हम difference करेंगे? Basis of differences. Second column write liberals. And third column write radicals. Make a box there and make three columns, and on the top mention the three name basis of differences, liberals and radicals. All right. Now the first you will write under basis of objective, basis of differences, objective. Write objective. And write the first. Under liberals, write it. They wanted to change the society. They wanted to change the society. Second point in the same, write it. They wanted a nation which tolerated all religion. They wanted a nation which tolerated all religion. You have mentioned that. Now, they wanted to change the society and they wanted a nation which tolerated all religion. Under radicals, write it. They wanted a nation where, under radicals, write, they wanted a nation where government would be based on the majority of country's population. Government would be based on the majority of country's population. Now, second, Roman number 2, in basis of differences, my second Roman number 2, write it, procedure and belief. P-R-O-C-E-D-U-R-E, procedure and belief. लिख रहे हो? Are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right under liberals, right? They argued for, argued means question. ARGUED. They asked for a representative. They asked for a representative elected parliamentary government. They wanted for having a representative elected parliamentary government, but they did not believe in universal adult franchise. But they do not believe in universal adult franchise. Then in radicals' right, they also asked for ARGUED. They also asked for representative elected parliamentary government. They also asked for representative elected parliamentary government, but believed in universal adult franchise, or in short, right to vote. They believe in universal adult franchise. हो गया? थर्ड पे लिखो वोटिंग, बेसिस ऑफ डिफरेंसेस में थर्ड पॉइंट रोमन नंबर 3 राइट इट, वोटिंग. First, right, under liberals, they felt that men of property should have the right to vote. They believed that, or they felt that men of property should have the right to vote. Under radicals' right, they felt that all citizens should have the right to vote. All citizens should have the right to vote. Write the fourth Roman number, their view. View लिखो, VIEW, view. और liberals के अंदर लिखो, they were in favor of giving privileges to the rich. They were willing to, or favor of giving privileges to the rich or to the men of property, or to the men of property. हो गया? नेक्स्ट लिखो. नेक्स्ट लिखो, जहां रेडिकल्स लिखा है वहां पे लिखो, they opposed the privileges of they opposed the privileges of the rich or the men of property. They opposed the privileges of the rich or men of property. ये लिख लिए. इसको डबल टिक लगा दोगे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस में. नाउ 2-3 क्वेश्चंस हम ऊपर में लिख लो कॉपी में, रेफरेंस रिवीजन कॉपी में. Value based question. I'm giving you the question. Prepare your own answer. All right. Now, first, you will write, what social and moral values are reflected by the theory of socialism? Give a question mark and write, explain how it can be helpful to the society. Explain how it can be helpful to the society.
मैम एक और बार रिपीट कर दीजिए ना.
Yes. What social and moral values are reflected by the theory of socialism? By the theory of socialism. Give a question mark. Explain how it can be helpful to the society. How it can be helpful to the society. हो गया. एक ये क्वेश्चन लिखो. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन लिखो जो वैल्यू बेस्ड दे रहे हैं. How did the Russia's participation in World War I became a cause of fall of Tsar? Became a cause of the fall of Tsar. TSAR. हो गया. अब इसमें लिखोगे क्या? कल हम तुमको एक्सप्लेन किए हैं कि Russian Tsar was defeated from 1914 to 1917 continuously by Germany and its allied power. This showed the weakness of the Russian Tsar. That became the first point. Second point, you will mention that number of soldiers were killed as she was on the verge of defeat. She had to come out of the war. Third, you will write, it led to the destruction of crops, homes, and industries. Next, you can write, when the industries were closed, number of workers lost their livelihood. So they were sent to the battles to fight the war. And as destruction came seen in Russia, it was a situation to come out of the First World War, and it happened under the rule of Tsar Nicholas II. So it became one of the cause that Russia came out because its weakness and number of devastating impact जिसको बोलते हैं, devastating means dangerous. Economy shut down हो गया, crops and industries बंद होने लगा, सारे civilians को भी soldiers में convert करते हुए ये लोग battles में भेज रहे थे. Russian soldiers and civilians were dying in thousands and thousands in the battlefield, and their population was decreasing. They were fed up of the long wars. These situations and these things you will write on your own. है ना. ये सम अप अपना कॉमन सेंस लगा के लिखोगे कि हमको इस आंसर में क्या लिखना चाहिए, क्यों रशिया के जार को. लेकिन मेन तो रीजन तुम जानते हो कि क्या रीजन है, लेकिन अगर ये 3 मार्क्स में दे देता है तो उसी पॉइंट्स को ब्रेक करते हुए उसे क्या क्या और अदर रिजल्ट्स हो सकता है इम्पैक्ट, दैट यू हैव टू मेंशन इन योर आंसर. सो प्रिपेयर इट as I have given you number of points orally I have given, so you can change it and write it in your own language and prepare a 3 marks question. All right, so far I have given. Now next लिखो. अगर लिख लिए होगे तो नहीं लिखना, अगर लिखना चाहते हो तो हमको बता दोगे what were the social, economic and political causes of Russian Revolution before 1905. Causes of Russian Revolution पे क्वेश्चन दिए हुए थे, बहुत पहले दिए थे when I was teaching that chapter. Have you prepared the answer? That what were the social, economic and political condition or causes in Russia before 1905? Do you want the answer of this question or you have already prepared it?
I'm already prepared for it.
How many have prepared? Raise your hand. और सिर्फ काजल का हाथ आया है, बाकी का नहीं है. Only Kajal has prepared. What about the other? Aman? Have you prepared? Aman? Piyush? Vikas? Shreyashi? लिखवा दे आंसर. लिखोगे?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
तो लिख लो. First write the social and economic the social, economic and political conditions. First write down the introduction. The social, economic and political condition. The social, economic and political conditions in Russia before 1905 before 1905 have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Then before 1905 can be understood with the help of following points. Can be understood with the help of following points. Now next mark here. First point, right? The social condition of Russia. Underline it, give an arrow and then write. The Russian society before 1905. Change the line. After every sentence, change the line. It will become 1 point. ऐसे line देते जाना. हर sentence के आगे एक arrow दे देना. इसको Roman number 1 में लिखो. The social condition. Give an arrow उसके नीचे और उसके point लिखो. Russian society before 1905 was marked by inequalities. Change the sentence. The conditions of peasants was pathetic. The conditions of peasants was pathetic. P-A-T-H-E-T-I-C. Pathetic मतलब बहुत miserable, sad. Third, arrow देना और तब लिखो. They cultivated most of the land. They cultivated most of the land. Change the sentence and again write. The nobility, the crown means ruler, and the church owned, O-W-N-E-D, owned large properties. Change the line and write. The peasants had to pay heavy redemption dues. The peasants had to pay heavy redemption, R-E-D-E-M-P-T-I-O-N, redemption dues. There was, again change the line and write, there was a great unrest among the peasants. There was great unrest among the peasants. Last line, write it. They wanted the land of nobles. They wanted land of the nobles and fought for it. They wanted the land of the nobles and fought for it. Conclusion में लिखो. They refused to pay rent oftenly. Often they reflected, शुरू में ही लिखो FTEN. Often they refused to pay rent and even murdered the landlords. Often they refused to pay rent and even murder the landlords. Roman number 2 में लिखो the economic condition. छूट रहा है किसी का या सब लिख ले रहे हो?
लिख रहे हैं.
लिख रहे हो? Now write economic condition. Underline it. Give an arrow and write. There was lack of capital in a country. Capital means money, circulating money. There was lack of capital in the country. Second, more than half of the capital, investment was made by foreign investors. Half of the capital investment was made by the foreign investors. Full stop. Change the line and write. They were only interested in making quick profits without having any concern for the miserable, MISERABLE, the miserable conditions of the workers.
Ma'am, they were only interested in quick.
They were only interested in making huge and quick profits. Without having any concern for the miserable condition of the workers. Okay? Change the line and again write. The Russian capitalists proved to be a source of exploitation of the workers. The Russian capitalists proved to be a source of exploitation for the Russians. Second point, right? Capitalists proved to be a source of exploitation of the workers. The condition, change that and write the next. The condition of the workers were not satisfactory. Whether the industries were owned by Russians or foreigners. Where the industries were owned by the Russians or the foreigners. Now next write. The prices of essential goods and services, increased tremendously, were very high, you can write. prices of the essential goods were very high, because of which, कॉमा देकर उसी सेंटेंस में लिखो, because of which the prices of essential goods and services increased tremendously. Rapidly भी लिख सकते हो, very high भी लिख सकते हो. Because of which the real wages declined by 20%. हो गया? थर्ड रोमन नंबर में लिखो the political condition. First point right. The Tsar Nicholas II ruled Russia and its empire. Second point right. He was not a subject to parliament. Third right. Liberals in Russia campaigned, जैसे इलेक्शन में फाइट किया जाता है उसी तरह से campaign CAMPAIGNED campaigned to end this state of affairs. Next right, they worked with social democrats and social revolutionaries. They worked with social democrats and social revolutionaries and demanded constitution. Last लिखो. Along with the support of workers, the nationalists and the nationalists and in Muslim dominated areas by jihadists, JADIDISTS. Why did the Tsarist autocracy, next question, write it. Why did the Tsarist autocracy collapsed in 1917? इसको हम hot questions में भी दिए हैं. Second question, third question, write it. Make a list one with the main events. Make a list, two lists. One with the main events of the February Revolution and the other with the main events of October Revolution. Change the line and write a paragraph on who was involved in each. Who were the leaders and what was the impact of each on Soviet history? Who were the leaders and what were the impact of each on Soviet history? देखो ये अगर लिख लेते हो ना तो तुम्हारा रेवोल्यूशन एकदम क्लियर हो जाए. लिख पाओगे? Will you able to? जैसे फेब्रुअरी रेवोल्यूशन बोले, 1905 रेवोल्यूशन कल बताए, जो कि एक फ्लॉप शो था, लेकिन उससे रशियन पीपल बहुत सारा एक्सपीरियंस गेन कर लिया कि अब हम कैसे रेवोल्यूशन को ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे तो मेरा फेलियर नहीं होकर सक्सेसफुल में बदल जाएगा। तो फर्स्ट वो किया फेब्रुअरी रेवोल्यूशन। तो फेब्रुअरी रेवोल्यूशन occurred in 1917 and it was led by Menshevik party with the leader Kerensky. Now, what were the main events under February Revolution? First, on 22nd February 1917, a lockout took place at a factory and women led the procession. Second, on 25th February, the government suspended the Duma. On 26th and 27th February, a general strike of workers took place, which was soon joined by the soldiers. And last, on 2nd March, Tsar abdicated. Abdicated means chhod dena, clear. Soviet leaders formed a provincial government. ये पूरा फेब्रुअरी रेवोल्यूशन आ गया। क्या ये प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट सक्सेसफुल in establishing the 4 demands in the Russia? We will say no. And this became the reason of unpopularity of Kerensky government. Then the next revolution which occurred will be the October Revolution. ऐसे फेब्रुअरी रेवोल्यूशन में जो कुछ काम नहीं हुआ तो उसका इम्पैक्ट और इफेक्ट क्या था? तो फर्स्ट विल बी द फॉल ऑफ जार, है ना। जैसे ही केरेनेस्की आया, जार पावर से हट गया। रिस्ट्रिक्शन ऑफ पब्लिक मीटिंग एसोसिएशंस वेयर रिमूव्ड। जार जितना रिस्ट्रिक्शंस लगाए हुए था पब्लिक मीटिंग्स में, रैलीज और डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन में, वो सब हट गया और जार का पावर खत्म हुआ और रशिया केम अंडर द रूल ऑफ Bolsheviks. Then the second phase of revolution occurred in the same year 1917, which is known as October Revolution. The October Revolution took place under Leon Trotsky and Lenin. First, not under Lenin and Leon Trotsky. Main event of October Revolution, first, the main event of where first, in September, Lenin began discussing for an uprising against provincial government. Provincial हमेशा केरेनेस्की को कहा गया. Second, on 16th October 1917, Lenin persuaded the Petrograd Soviet and the Bolshevik Party to agree to a socialist seizure of power. A military revolutionary committee was appointed under Leon Trotsky, which was known as Red Army. It was very sharp, very fast. At the dawn of, next point, third, 24th October, military men loyal to the government seized the building of 2 Bolshevik newspapers. In response, the Military Revolutionary Committee ordered its support to seize government offices and arrest ministers. Which minister? Not of Bolsheviks, Lenin, but of Kerensky. Late in the day, the ship Aurora shelled the Winter Palace, and the power transferred from Menshevik Kerensky to Bolshevik Vladimir Lenin. And what was the effect? The effect was first fall of Kerensky government or provincial government. Russia came to be adopted a socialist form of government, that is socialism. ये पूरा तुम्हारा रेवोल्यूशन का हिस्ट्री है कि कैसे कैसे हुआ और कैसे पावर चेंज कर गया, क्योंकि रेवोल्यूशन लाने में इन लोग 3